morning students. I am Elia Abdi. I am going to teach you class 5th science. Today I am going to teach you chapter 1 circulatory system. As you know that blood is in our body. When we fell or when we had a deep cut, the blood is coming out of the body. Do you know why the blood bleeds and from where the blood comes? Yes, children, the answer is blood circulates. Children, you know that blood circulation is one of the important function in the body. It supplies oxygen and take out carbon dioxide from the body part. Yes, circulation of blood all over the body is the circulatory system. Now, we read the definition. What is circulatory system? The organ system that circulates blood through the body is called circulatory system. I am repeating the definition again. The organ system that circulates blood through the body is called circulatory system. This is the structure of a human body. In this structure, you can see the circulation of blood all over the body. Now let us study more about circulatory system. Circulatory system consists of three parts. First, blood vessel, second, heart, and third, blood. Today we will discuss about blood vessel. Blood vessels. Blood circulate in the body through tube-like structure called blood vessels. I am repeating the definition. Blood circulates in the body through tube-like structure called blood vessels. Tube-like structure means like a sipper. You drink juice or fruity with a sipper. The same, the tube-like structure. Blood vessels are three kinds. First, arteries, second, veins, and third, capillaries. Arteries. Blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the other part of the body are called arteries. Blood vessels that carry blood from the heart to the other part of the body are called arteries. Arteries carry blood that is rich in oxygen, also known as oxygenated blood. You can say as a pure blood. Blood carries by arteries are the pure blood which is coming from the heart and supply all over the body part. This is oxygenated blood means rich in oxygen. Veins. Blood vessels that carry blood from different part of the body back to the heart are called veins. Blood vessels that carry blood from different parts of the body back to the heart are called veins. Means veins are carrying the deoxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood means blood rich in carbon dioxide, or you can say impure blood. Capillaries are the thinnest blood vessels in the body. It also connects arteries and veins. Thinnest blood vessel in the body connects arteries and veins are called capillaries. Now in the diagram you can understand very well. This is diagram of blood vessels. Arteries with the red color and veins with the blue color. Do you know why arteries are with red color and veins are of blue color? Arteries are carrying the pure blood from the heart. That is why they are of red color, indicating that the blood is rich in oxygen. Veins are of blue color, indicating the blood is rich in carbon dioxide. Capillaries connecting both arteries and vein and forming a connecting network. Thank you. In the next class, class, I will teach you about the other two parts of the circulatory system.